Fix: PowerPoint cannot insert a video from the selected file, verified that the necessary 64-bit codec. Have you ever tried adding a video to your PowerPoint presentation, only to get that frustrating media not supported error? Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple solution to this common problem. When PowerPoint says it can't insert your video and mentions something about a 64-bit codec, what it really means is that your computer is missing the necessary software to understand the video format. The good news, there's an easy fix. You'll need to install something called the K-Lite Codec Pack. Think of it like a translator that helps your computer understand different video formats. Just head to codecguide.com. That's the official and safest place to download it. Once there, you'll see several versions available. For most users, the basic version works perfectly. Download it, run the installer with the default settings, and restart your computer when prompted. After your computer boots back up, try inserting that problematic video into PowerPoint again. A quick pro tip, always download codecs from trusted sources like this one to avoid any security risks. This solution works for PowerPoint 2016, 2019, and 365. If you still have trouble after installing the codecs, try converting your video to MP4 format first using a free online converter. Did this solve your problem? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.